justify the thanks towards the parents and the students, all the students who are watching this, and all the parents and students who have actually traveled so far to come here. Thank you so much for trusting a new system, a new way of learning. Because I was asking yesterday to a lot of parents, a lot of students, that in the last 2 years, what happened and what inspired you to join Vedanta? And there was a simple answer by all the parents, especially I was talking to parents as well as students. Parents said, हमें तो विश्वास नहीं था, लेकिन हमारे बच्चों को बहुत विश्वास था. उन्होंने खुद खोजा, खुद फाइंड किया, और जब हमने शुरू में देखा उनको मेहनत करते हुए, तो हमें भी लगा कि इस सिस्टम से बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. And that inspired them to continue with Vedanta, and thank you for that. Thank you students for trusting us. But आज मैं थोड़ा सा और कुछ बात करना चाहूँगा. यहाँ पे जो बच्चे खड़े थे, I was inspired by listening to them. When I was a student, and as Hari sir mentioned right now, that even after college, we were not that inspired, I would say we were not that confident human beings. But today, looking at these kids, we get inspired back because they are so much confident about what to do in life, where they are going, what they were thinking, and the decisions they are making on their own at this stage of life. That really inspires me. And I just want to convey one message to all the students who are passing out, that just stay how you are, don't try to change, be humble, because we need good human beings. More than whatever ranks, more than the college, more than the degrees. Because next 4 years, these degrees, these ranks, they will get to your head also. And sometimes the world around us makes us believe that you are something special, something different, and that's where your downfall starts happening. So just don't let any kind of that thought get to your mind. Just be what you are today. Be always respectful for whatever you have got. Be humble and try to do great in life, because India requires that. India requires people like you to create magic, create much bigger platforms, much bigger than Vedanta, much bigger than a lot of things that we have created. I think when we started Vedanta, and long back in 2005 when we started our entrepreneurial journey, entrepreneurship was not talked about. But today it is a celebrated thing. Things are changing. And trust me, when you will pass out from your colleges, you will be once leading a lot of top institutes in this country, a lot of top companies in the country. And that's where the true human inside you will ensure that whatever you are doing is actually for the betterment of the society. So keep doing that. That's the message from my side to all of the students who are
passing. So I'm super inspired to be here, and I couldn't have thought of a better day to celebrate my birthday. So thanks a lot, team, for choosing 9th as the day. It's priceless to be surrounded by such inspiring people, as teachers, as parents, as you amazing students, as you amazing children. Because that is what keeps me, if I should use the word young, at this age, right? But it's amazing. And as Anand sir said, I think the biggest success is not in achieving these ranks, these marks. I think the true success in life will be to be true to yourself, to have that self-belief that you can do anything in life, and you know that life will unfold in front of you. एक स्टीव जॉब्स की बहुत फेमस टॉक अगर आपने सुनी हो यूट्यूब पे, स्टीव जॉब्स was talking in a convocation event in I think Stanford. He talks about how dots connect in life, right? But can we see these dots connecting in life today? No. In hindsight, you'll see that आपने लाइफ में जो कुछ किया, जो कुछ पढ़ा, आप जिन experiences के part रहे, those things will connect and create some real greatness and goodness, not just for yourself but for the society at large. So what is it in for us today? I was discussing with some students. अभी आप Olympiad वाले बच्चे हम discuss कर रहे थे कि सिर्फ JEE के बाद क्या होगा? There are 10th grade students. What I said and what I asked you to do is never jump the gun. हमेशा अपने सामने एक focus रखें. Just be at it, just achieve it, and let the life unfold in front of you, and enjoy every moment of that, that life's unfolding in front of you. enjoy it, live it, cherish it without the anxiety of future and without the baggage of the past. Live in the present and do your best. गीता में भी लिखा है ना, कर्म किए जा फल की चेष्टा मत कर. आज आप क्या कर सकते हो? When you're preparing for JEE or NEET or Olympiad or your commerce का exam, right? Could you have predicted or controlled your ranks beyond a point? No. अब क्या कर सकते हैं? आपके हाथ में क्या है? उस दिन, उस घंटे आपके हाथ में क्या है? मेहनत करना, फोकसिंग ऑन व्हाट यू स्टडिंग. आई थिंक पता है आप लाइफ के बारे में बच्चों को जानते हो जो हम इस एज में आके वापस से सीखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. To all the parents, to all the teachers, to all of us grown-ups, don't give so much anxiety to them. हमारे बच्चों का क्या होगा? हमारे जॉब का क्या होगा? हमारा इसका क्या होगा? बड़ा घर आएगा क्या? वो गाड़ी बन पाएगी क्या? देखो वो क्या कर रहा है. आप बच्चों पता है आपके पास लाइफ का मंत्र है. एट दिस स्टेज यू आर सो फोकस्ड टुडे. आप बहुत आगे नहीं सोचते हो. यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन योर प्रेजेंट. यू फोकस ऑन योर एफर्ट्स. यू आर फुल विथ रिस्पेक्ट एंड ग्रेटिट्यूड. आप लोगों ने बात की अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में, कितनी अच्छी बात की. इनफैक्ट आज मैं अपने बच्चे को लेकर आया था. ही इज अ 7-year-old. मैं स्पेशली अपने बच्चे को लेकर आया था यहाँ पे कि वो आपसे सुन पाए और कुछ सीख पाए. पता नहीं कितना सीखा उसने मुझे बता. बट आई स्पेशली गॉट हिम हियर बिकॉज़ यू आर सो फुल विथ ग्रेटिट्यूड. यू आर सो फुल विथ हार्ड वर्क. यू आर सो मच लिविंग इन द प्रेजेंट. बस जो आनंद सर ने बोला ना, मैं उसी को रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. इसी को बरकरार रखें, इसी को मेंटेन. इफ यू जस्ट मेंटेन दिस इन योर लाइफ, आई थिंक यू विल बी सुपर सक्सेसफुल. बट मोर देन दैट, यू विल बी सुपर हैप्पी इन लाइफ. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, एज यू ग्रो अप, यू रियलाइज बीइंग हैप्पी and being satiated and content and feeling, you know, that sense of purpose every day is the toughest in life. आप अच्छी जॉब ले लोगे, आप कंपनी शुरू कर लोगे, पैसा बहुत कमा लोगे, सब कर लोगे. But the ones who can do this, you realize as you grow up, is the most difficult thing to do. आज आपने already वो कर रखा है, भूलना मत इसको बस, right? So that's the thing that I want to say. And guys, you are inspiration. I mean, बहुत सारे बच्चे इसको सुनेंगे, आप सबकी बातों को सुनेंगे. But share what you have talked about to a larger audience, to our students, to our parents, to all of you. बच्चों, all these students are the symbols of excellence for all of you. Not for their ranks, but मैं फिर से जर्नी की बात करूंगा. ये जिस मुश्किल राह पे चलते हुए, right? That tough journey that they've seen to reach here. This is what the true success is. और आपको ये सीखना है, लगे रहना है. दिक्कतें सबको आती हैं, ठीक है. वो थाली में परोस के सबको नहीं मिलता है. It's never served on the silver platter, right? You always have to fight for it. Keep fighting for it, and you will get it. But whatever you will get after this journey is the success, not the rank. Rank 5 आए, 1 आए, 100 आए, 5000 आए. अगर आपने मेहनत की ना, वो मेहनत आपका सक्सेस है, because you have learned to do hard work. And the ones who have learned to do hard work will always be successful. क्योंकि लाइफ में कुछ भी हो जाए, आप इंजीनियर बनो, डॉक्टर बनो, एंटरप्रेन्योर बनो, जो भी बनो, हार्ड वर्क करना सीख गए ना, कुछ भी कर लोगे यार, कुछ भी कर लोगे. ठीक है, चलो और
So मैंने करते हो, that's basically the thing. और मैंने कभी खत्म नहीं हुई. So all those guys who are like कि हो गया बस, ठीक है. So we are actually telling you that अभी खत्म नहीं हुई.
तो सब मेहनत तो भी बाकी है. अभी तो प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है आपको. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे कि मस्ती का टाइम आ गया. हम थोड़ा सा उल्टा बोलते हैं. मस्ती है, हमेशा रहेगी. बट अब क्योंकि तुमने मेहनत करना सीख ली ना, तो तुम्हें मेहनत इतनी मुश्किल नहीं लगेगी. बट रिमेन फोकस्ड. मस्ती का हम तो आज भी बोलते हैं कि वो कॉलेज में मुझे किसी जैसे एडमिशन हुआ था ना, somebody told me, बस बच्चे अब तो मेहनत, अब तो मस्ती मस्ती है. मैं अभी भी ढूंढ रहा हूँ, एक सेकेंड, कहाँ गई वो मस्ती?
So guys, actually, I really want to take also an opportunity because everyone from Vedanta is not here today. Teachers are there, academic staff is there. But I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all of you on behalf of each and every way, be it from teams who develop this awesome wave technology to the content team which creates all those tests which you have, you have attempted and you have given your DPPs, your tests, to probably the teams around the operations, teams around counselors who actually have counseled many of you and got on the platform, teams at marketing, YouTube, who actually have done. So there are a lot of teams at Vedanta who are working day in and day out to make this, system which you see today. And what happens is many of them do not know the impact they are creating. So the stories which all of you guys have shared, and all of you guys, this is also being live transcribed. So all of those stories really energize each and every member at Vedanta also. Because, as Pulkit was saying, काम ना हर जगह होता है, work happens everywhere. In every company, work happens. But what we really take pride at Vedanta is the work which each and everyone at Vedanta is doing is causing a real impact. So we say this, very often in the company. But today is one of those days where that impact दिखता है, right? So, and we are eternally grateful and happy to all the parents here first and then the students for placing your trust in us, choosing us. It's not easy. I was listening to many of the stories. One parent was saying that when in our 11th class, after 10th, 11th, they decided to come on Vedanta for a big exam like NEET. Everyone in the society, in the, neighbor, all the relations, they were like sort of cursing the parents, saying that, क्यों कर रहे हो तुम ये, पागल हो गए हो क्या, right? ये online कौन करता है पढ़ाई, right? पैसे बचा रहे हो, right? All these, I'm sure all of you would have heard about this, because this is not normal. What is normal is obviously how we studied when we were students, right? Obviously offline was the only thing. And online is a completely new thing, not proven, not that trusted, new format. So, पागल ही होगे जो इतना बड़ा रिस्क लोगे, तो सब यहाँ पे पागल ही बैठे हैं शायद. But एक चीज मैं बता सकता हूँ, दुनिया चेंज पागल लोग ही करते हैं, right? So on that